Well, I started working on it and I just kept going, and here it is. I say it's complete. I was going to go get another top. I decided not to. I thought I'm going to add a little bit more character, do this 3-layer thing. It's got the little shelves built in, a few of them. It's about 34 inches tall, I think. Of course, it varies by about 3.5 inches. And isn't that cool? I'm really happy with how it turned out. I wonder how much granite is here. Probably, I'm guessing I had probably 1,000 pounds on each load, and probably 5 loads, so probably 5,000 pounds. And I had just like 2 square feet left over in scrap pieces. I just put them behind my little fence here and give it a little bit more support and time. It'll be covered up with leaves anyway, so there it is. So many cool stones in here from all over the world. I don't know where from, but they're all natural. And I got lots of color, lots of variation, and very cool. Little built-in shells. Looks like a little dirt here yet. Well, no, that's part of the stone. Just the gray in it. Lots of color variation. And you can see we got some variation on top. Most of it's natural edge, but I decided to leave the last few with some cut edge here. I thought that it doesn't hurt. Gives a little bit more variety and got a little fan effect going here. So if I did need to do something really big, I could maybe have a couple pieces I set on here just so I get it the same height in case I did want something long. Or I just put in a wood piece there, and then maybe if I was working on a door, maybe the door over top. So it's very functional, very cool, and I'm very happy with it. So there it is. There's an idea for granite remnants or leftovers. Outdoor table. Or workbench in my case.